Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I really want to thank all those of you who are mailing me to make a video how we can log into a Google Class or Google Meet and how the teacher should start and how students should join. So let's get started. So let's open our email. I've already opened my mail. Now let me go to this. First of all, to the extreme right you will find a Google Play Store here, App Store. You can log into this one and you just open your classroom first of all here, and for this demo I'm going to use as this computer networking as my sample here. So I'm just putting here. Right now there is no notification given by the teacher, so I will give a notifications here. So let's see how many people are there here. Right now there are 4 students, so I want to send to this here this student. So I will go and start my Google Meet. So let's start here. To the extreme right you can see that start a meeting, so click that. It is more easier. So right now I'm not going to use this camera because this is just a demo one. So if you are a teacher, you should turn on your camera so that student can see you or you can see the students. And then there is a next to this one is a microphone. So whether your microphone is working or not, you can also see the indication here. It is moving. Right now I'm speaking, that's why this wave is going up and down. And if your microphone is off, you'll not see anything here, and it is showing this cross sign. So you should turn on this one, and you should also tell your students that the microphone should be off during your class so that you cancel the unwanted noises that is coming from their side if they're not in a silent place. So you make sure that this is turned off, but whenever they want to ask any questions, they can turn on this once again, and they can turn on the camera here. So now we start join now, so that will start the meeting. So this is a link given here. If you have their email, you can also send the mail through mail, or you can also just give the invitation, this one here. So you just here, this is the link. So here you can copy here, you can copy, and you can go to the class here. This is a class, and so you can give link to all the students, so they will be able to, once you post this, now I post, so all the students whoever is in this class will be able to join you. So you can say the timing. Right now I'm here in this timing there, so they can join the class now. Or you can also go to the WhatsApp, you can go to the group, and you can also paste it here. So I've sent in WhatsApp also, so those who are using the mobile, they can join WhatsApp. So but for WhatsApp, those who are using mobile, they should install this Google Meet from the Google Play Store in their mobile. So once they install that, they will be able to join. So now they just teachers have to just wait, and he can go to the here. Now he can close. So now teacher, you can see that right now my you can see only my picture, that camera is off right now. Or you can also go here, and then you can also invite and put the email and all that here, and then once you suppose you this one, and then you select and you send a mail, and that person will get automatically. But as of now I've already given in the class, so I'm not sending that again. So now from the teacher side, this is the captions. Whatever you want the student to see, that whatever you are speaking, you want the caption, you can turn on this so that it will come up here. And then your presentation, you should give presentation here. If you want the student to see your screen, so you can just here present now, you can click that. Once you click that, your screen will be visible to everyone whoever joined the class. So right now I'm sharing my screen, so now whoever joined the class will be able to see what is on my screen. And now you can go to the setting. There are a lot of settings here. You can adjust the full screen from here, or you want the layout change here, how you want the student to see. So you can put them this way, or you want to this way. You can also adjust that so that you can see from the side the students who are there, you can see them. So now you can see that the students can see your screen. And then you can also do some settings here. This is where your microphone is working or not, you can see here, and your camera here. As of now I have one camera, so it's there, and it is working with a 360 megapixel. Or you can also change here. There is 720 megapixel is there, so you can choose according to you. You can choose that. So right now my camera is off, that's why. Okay, so this is it from the teacher side. And then once there, you can minimize and you can start your classes, whatever you want to teach, what subject that you want to teach, you can also teach. So all whatever is you're teaching on the screen and all that, they will be able to see. So now we will go to the student side, and how student will see that, we can check it out. Then he open his email, and now you can see that the notifications popping up in your inbox, or you can click from here, or you can also go to the classroom here in the class, so he can join in the class, and you can see from that what the teacher has. So now here the invitations is there, so now you can go to the class. So now class is there. Now here is the invitations. You can either click from here, or you can go to the inbox and you can click from there. So now if I click that, I'm not right now I'm not using the camera, so that ask to join. So I will ask to join, and the teachers will allow me. So now from the teacher side, admit, and now he will be able to see all the teacher screen, whatever the teacher is doing, that you can see. See, this is the teacher. Now you can see the teacher screen here. See, now the teachers are teaching there, and then whatever he or she is doing, the student can see now. Suppose the teacher, from the teacher side, if he or she open any pages, something like this, now you can see that there here sheets. Suppose he types something here, let's say today, the student can see. And if you want to pull down that, see, from the teacher side, if you do, and then the student can see whatever the teacher is doing. So now that is how you can it's a very good tools, and then I like to thank the Google for making this huge improvement during the lockdown time, that enabling all the student and teacher to work very flexibly. Once the class is done, you can just close directly. If you want to leave, that you can just click here also to leave, so you can leave the class. Then you can just log out your email, and then you can just log out, so that the teachers know that you left the class. So guys, thank you for your time. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you.